In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the Road to Oklahoma quilt block. Let's make the Road to Oklahoma quilt block. This block has bold geometry, and when you put 16 of these blocks together, they create a crisscrossing pathway, creating the Road to Oklahoma quilt. We're now making the Road to Oklahoma quilt block. And in this block, this is a very simple block with very few half square triangles. So we need 4 of the white squares. These are all in the 4-inch unfinished. And we've got 4 of the blue or the teal, 2 of the orange and 2 of the gold. And then in the 4 7/8 inch unfinished squares, we've got 2 of the white and 2 of the orange. And we're going to sew these larger squares together to make our 4 half square triangles. I've laid out the block now before I start sewing, and you can see here that the half square triangle units are made up. There aren't that many to make in this block. It's a really simple block to make, and I'm just going to go and sew all the individual rows together with a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and then I'll show you what they look like before we then sew each row together. I've now sewn all of my rows together, and you can see it's coming together really lovely. And I've pressed each row, and now I'm going to just sew those rows together. You can see there that I've pressed the top row to the left and the bottom row to the right. And so those seams will nest together really lovely. I'm going to go back to the sewing machine and sew all of these 4 rows together, and then our block will be finished. So I've put this block together now, and this is really quick to make because it's got so many squares and just a few half square triangles. And on the back of the pattern, which I'm hoping that you've downloaded, you can see here that we've done a mock-up of the Road to Oklahoma and what it would look like if it was a quilt. It's a really versatile block to use. You can put 16 of these together to create a crisscrossing pathway. If you make the Road to Oklahoma quilt block, please let me know. I'd love to see what you're making. And if you like this video, please press the like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.